Hello friends, today we solve exercise 7.3. Okay, let's begin. This is our first question. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4. Okay. Area of triangle equal half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, equal half into x1 means 2. This is question number 1. 2 y2 means 0 minus y3 minus 4 minus plus 4 plus x2 means minus 1. Okay, y3 minus 4 minus y1 minus 3 plus x3 means 2 y1 3 minus y2 means 0. Okay, so half into 2 into 4 8 minus 7 into 1 minus 1 plus 7 plus 2 into 3 6 equal 15 plus 6 21 by 2 square units. Okay, these are. Now we solve this question and tell me your answer in the comment box. Okay, in each of the following find the values of k for which the points are collinear. Okay, we know that 3 points will be collinear if area formed by them is 0. Okay, question number 1. We know that 3 points will be if area of the triangle formed by them is 0. Okay, so half into x1 means 7 into y2 1 minus a plus k plus x2 means 5 into y3 minus k minus 2 plus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 1 equal 0. Okay, or 7 plus 7k minus 5k plus 10 minus 3 plus 3 minus 9 equal 0. Okay, or 7k minus 5k 2k equal 7 plus 10 minus 17. Okay, plus 9, or 2k equal minus 8 or k equal minus 4. So for question number 1 value of k is minus 4. Now we solve the question number 2 and tell me your answer in the comment box. Okay, find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Okay, okay, zero comma minus 1 b 2, 1 c 0, 3. Okay, let a 0, minus 1 b 2, 1 and c 0, 2 be the triangle ABC. Okay. And F D comma E comma F are the midpoints of the sides BC, CA comma AB respectively. Okay, so coordinates of D equal 2 plus 0 by 2 comma 1 plus 3 by 2 equal 1 comma 2. Coordinates of E equal 0 plus 0 by 2 comma minus 1 plus 3 by 2 equal 0 comma 1. Coordinates of E F equal 2 plus 0 by 2 comma 1 minus 1 by 2 equal 1 comma 0. Now area of triangle ABC equal half into x1 means 0 into y2 1 minus y3 plus x2 means 2 y3 minus y1 plus 1 plus 0 into y1 minus 1 equal half into 0 3 plus 1 4 into 2 8 plus 0 equal 4 square units. Area of triangle DEF. Okay, DEF equal half into x1 1 y2 1 minus 0 plus x2 means 0 y3 0 minus 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 1. Okay, equal half into 1 plus 0 plus 1 equal 1 plus 1 2 by 2 1 square units. Okay, now area of triangle DEF by area of triangle ABC equal 1 square units by 4 square units equal 1 by 4 equal 1:4. Okay, find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2 and 2, 3. Okay, A B C D. A -4, -2 B -3, -5 C 3, -2 D 2, 3. Okay, let A -4, -2 B -3, -5 C 3, -2 and D 2, 3. of the quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, join BD to obtain two triangle angle ABD and triangle BCD. Okay, now area of triangle ABD equal half into x1 means 4 into y2 minus 5 minus 3 plus x2 means minus 3 into 3 minus 3 plus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 5 equal half into minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 into minus 4 32 3 plus 2 5 into minus 3 minus 15 minus 2 plus 5 plus 3 into 3 plus 9. Okay, equal 41 minus 15 by 2 equal 3 into 6, so 32 plus 6 38 minus 20 equal 23 by 2 square units. Okay, area of triangle BCD equal half into BCD minus 3 into minus 2 minus 3 plus 3 into 3 minus 3 plus 5 plus 2 into minus 5 plus 2 equal half into minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 into minus 3 plus 15 plus 3 plus 5 8 into 3 24 minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 into minus 6 equal 18 plus 15 30 square units. So area of quadrilateral ABCD equal area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Now area of triangle ABD 23 by 2 plus area of triangle BCD 33 by 2 equal 6 5 by 2 equal 20 square units. Okay, this is our last question. You have studied in class 9 that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A 4, minus 6, B 3, minus 2 and C 5, 2. Okay, let this is our triangle ABC. A means 4, minus 6, B means 3, minus 2, C means 5, 2. Okay, let A 4, minus 6, B 3, minus 2 and C 5, 2 are the of the triangle ABC. Okay, let D is the midpoint of BC. Okay, so AD median divides triangle ABC into two triangle ABD and triangle ADC. Okay, coordinates of D equal 3 plus 5 by 2, minus 2 plus 2 by 2 equal 4, 0. Okay, so this is point D 4, 0. So area of triangle ABD equal half into 4 into y2 minus 2 minus 0 plus x2 3 into 0 minus minus plus 6 plus 4 into minus 6 minus minus plus 2 equal half into minus 2 into 4 minus 8 3 into 6 18 minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 minus 16. Okay, minus 6 to half. Now area can't be negative, so we take mod equal 3 square units. Now area of triangle ADC equal half into 4 into minus 2 4 into 0 minus 2 0 minus 2 plus 4 into 2 minus minus plus 6 plus 5 into minus 6 minus 0. Okay, equal half into minus 2 4 minus 8 2 plus 6 8 into 4 32. Okay, minus 6 into 5 minus 30 equal minus 8 minus 30 minus 38 half minus 6. Again area negative, so we take mod to obtain positive value. So 3 square units. So area of triangle ABD equal area of triangle ADC. Okay, so median AD divides triangle ABC into 2 triangle of equal areas. Okay, thank you.